Hi, this video tutorial I will cover proxy design pattern implementation using remote proxy. Before you watch this video tutorial, please log into my channel and watch proxy design pattern introduction, proxy design pattern real-time example, proxy design pattern class diagram and sequence diagram video tutorials. Then come and watch this tutorial so that you will understand this tutorial very clearly. Okay. The left side you can see client host, which IP address is 192.168.142.89, and right side you can see server host. The server host IP address is 192.168.142.201, and left side you can see client host. In client host we have client program, and right side you can see server object, and server object resides in the server host. Server host IP address is 201. The IP address ends with 201. Okay. So suppose this client program wants to access some method in the server object which is resides in the remote machine. So how it is possible? Uh, it is not possible, right? In normal way, right? So what we can do is we can use remote proxy pattern. So this RMI which support remote proxy. Okay. So we can see how we can do this one. So basically first what we have to do is the server object is here, right? That we have to register in the RMI registry. Okay. And we have to register as a key value pair. Key will be some kind of key value. We can choose any name, and value will be the server object. Okay. So this client program wants to access some method of server object, right? So this client program has to look the server object in the RMI registry using the key. So so the RMI registry will check the with that key any server object is there or not. If it is there, then it will return server stub to the client program. Okay, so the client program got the server stub. Here server stub is nothing but the remote proxy. Okay, so you can see here remote proxy provides a local representative for an object that resides in the different address space. Basically this is the local representative for the object that resides in the different address space. So in this case this is local representative of for an object which resides in the different address space. So this is the remote proxy which represent server object in the remote machine. Okay, so now onwards if client wants to uh, access any method in the server object, it will first access the method in the server stub. Then the server stub will make call to the server skeleton. Then the server skeleton will make call to the server object. Then the server object will process the method and it will return the result to the server skeleton. Then the server skeleton will return result to the server stub. Then server stub will return result to the client program. So this way it will work. Okay. So this data communication you are seeing, right? So this data communication will take place via network, right? So before server stub send any information to the server skeleton, it will serialize and it will send, and server skeleton will do deserialize, and then it will make call to the server object. Before server skeleton send any information to server stub, server skeleton will serialize the message and send it to the server stub, and server stub will deserialize and send the result to the client program. So this way it will work. Okay, here the key thing is remote proxy. So the server stub is remote proxy. So using remote proxy we can access method of an server object which resides in the different address space. Okay, and so RMA is the best example of remote proxy, and this is about proxy design pattern implementation using remote proxy. Thanks for watching. Bye.